Imagine trying to focus on an important task, but your phone buzzes, a random thought interrupts you, or a notification drags your attention away. Hours pass, but your work remains unfinished, leaving you stressed and overwhelmed. Now, multiply this by days, weeks, or even years. This is how distractions silently steal your life. But what if you could reclaim your time and take control of your focus? Distractions have become an inseparable part of modern life. From the endless notifications on our smartphones to the constant pull of social media, we live in a world that thrives on diverting our attention. While some distractions are external, like the ping of a message, others are internal, like overthinking or procrastination. The cost of these distractions? Lost productivity, diminished mental well-being, and, most critically, time, our most valuable resource. The good news is that distractions can be managed and minimized. By understanding the root causes and implementing effective strategies, you can regain control of your focus and live a more fulfilling, purpose-driven life. Let's explore how. What are distractions? Distractions are anything that diverts your attention away from the task at hand. They can be categorized into two main types: external distractions. Noise, notifications, interruptions from people, or environmental factors that shift your focus. Internal distractions. Thoughts, emotions, worries, or daydreams that pull your attention away. In the digital age, distractions are more pervasive than ever. According to studies, it takes an average of 23 minutes to regain focus after an interruption. These distractions, while seemingly small, accumulate over time, leading to stress, inefficiency, and a sense of being perpetually behind. Overcoming distractions requires a combination of mindset shifts, practical strategies, and consistent effort. Here are comprehensive approaches to help you regain control. How to stop distractions? Identify your distractions. Keep a distraction log. Note down every time you get distracted. This helps identify patterns. Categorize them. Determine whether the distraction is external or internal. Set clear goals. Break tasks into smaller steps. This reduces overwhelm and increases focus. Use the SMART framework. Ensure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a distraction-free environment. Digital detox. Turn off unnecessary notifications or use apps like Focus Mode or Forest. Declutter your workspace. A clean workspace enhances mental clarity. Practice time blocking. Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle for sustained focus. Schedule breaks. Short breaks prevent burnout and improve focus during work hours. Strengthen mental discipline. Meditation and mindfulness. Regular practice improves focus and reduces the tendency to get distracted. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to improve efficiency. Examples of overcoming distractions. Digital detox. A student studying for exams switched off their phone during study hours, resulting in improved grades. Time blocking. An entrepreneur divided their day into work, exercise, and relaxation blocks, significantly boosting productivity. Mindfulness practice. A software developer reduced distractions at work by practicing 10 minutes of meditation daily. Understand the root cause of distractions. To effectively stop distractions, you need to understand why they happen. Distractions often stem from boredom, stress, or avoidance of challenging tasks. For example, you might scroll through social media when you feel overwhelmed by a complex work project. Identifying the underlying emotions or triggers that lead to distractions helps in addressing them more effectively. Distractions, the silent thief of productivity. Distractions are an invisible force that steals time, energy, and focus. In today's fast-paced digital world, they're everywhere: buzzing notifications, endless scrolling on social media, or even a fleeting thought. The constant shifts in attention come at a price: reduced efficiency, increased stress, and a lingering sense of incompletion. Understanding how distractions operate is the first step to reclaiming your life. Recognizing their subtle infiltration into your day helps you take targeted actions to prevent them from dictating your schedule. The psychology of distractions. Why do distractions feel so irresistible? The answer lies in the brain's craving for novelty and instant gratification. Every time you check your phone or switch tasks, your brain releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical that reinforces the behavior. Over time, this creates a loop where distractions become a habitual escape from discomfort or boredom. Breaking this cycle involves retraining the brain to find satisfaction in focus and delayed gratification rather than quick fixes. Understanding the true cost of distractions. Distractions do more than just delay work, they have a cascading effect on multiple aspects of life. For instance, losing focus during an important meeting could lead to missed opportunities or misunderstandings. On a larger scale, chronic distraction can erode your ability to concentrate, lower your self-confidence, and harm personal relationships. Recognizing these costs is crucial to prioritizing focus and intentional living. Building an environment that minimizes distractions. Your environment plays a significant role in managing distractions. A cluttered desk or noisy background can easily derail your focus. Creating a distraction-free workspace starts with small but impactful changes, such as organizing your desk, minimizing digital notifications, and using noise-canceling tools. By designing an environment that promotes deep focus, you reduce the temptation to stray from your tasks. Time management, a key to beating distractions. Effective time management is one of the most powerful tools for combating distractions. Techniques like time blocking, where specific periods are dedicated to focused work, can help you stay on track. Using methods like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, ensures consistent productivity. Time management not only reduces the chance of distractions but also helps you feel in control of your day. The role of mindfulness in battling distractions. Mindfulness is a game changer when it comes to overcoming distractions. Practicing mindfulness trains your brain to remain present and aware, reducing the power of external or internal distractions. Simple activities like deep breathing, meditation, or even mindful walking can enhance your ability to focus. Over time, mindfulness helps you build mental resilience, making it easier to stay attentive to the task at hand. Taming digital overload. Technology, while incredibly beneficial, is also a major source of distractions. Social media, email notifications, and the constant lure of entertainment make it hard to concentrate. To reduce digital distractions, set app usage limits, turn off non-essential notifications, and designate phone-free periods during your day. By controlling your interaction with technology, you reclaim your attention for more meaningful activities. Breaking free from the multitasking trap. Multitasking often feels productive, but it's one of the biggest culprits of distraction. Switching between tasks reduces efficiency and increases the time needed to complete each task. To combat this, focus on completing one task at a time. This single-tasking approach not only enhances the quality of your work but also strengthens your ability to concentrate for longer periods. The power of rest and recovery. Distractions often arise when your brain is fatigued or overwhelmed. Ensuring proper rest through quality sleep and regular breaks during work hours is essential for maintaining focus. Activities like stretching, light exercise, or even a brief nap can refresh your mind, making it easier to resist distractions. Remember, rest isn't a luxury, it's a productivity booster. Cultivating a long-term focus strategy. Overcoming distractions isn't a one-time fix, it's a lifelong process that requires consistent effort. Regularly evaluate what works for you and adapt your strategies as needed. Reflect on your successes and setbacks and celebrate small wins in improving your focus. By cultivating habits like goal setting, mindfulness, and time management, you develop a long-term strategy for leading a distraction-free life filled with purpose and achievement.